Have you ever been frustrated when you try to hook up a three-point implement to your tractor and thought, there has to be a better way? The Jiffy Hitch is an innovative product for anyone who owns a tractor. Not only is it fast and simple, it's safe. There is never a need for anyone to be endangered by standing between the tractor and the implement. With the Jiffy Hitch system on your tractor and on your implements, you simply lower the lift arms on your tractor, back up to the implement, raise the lift arms, which locks the male component on the tractor to the female component on the implement. Then simply drive away and go to work. To disconnect the tractor from the implement, first lower the implement to the ground. Then pull the release handle on the male component on the tractor, which unlocks the male unit from the female component. Then drive away. It's that simple. The Jiffy Hitch system allows your tractor, when equipped with a standard or heavy-duty Category 2 male Jiffy Hitch, to hook up to any implement equipped with either a Category 1, Category 1 heavy-duty, Category 2, or Category 2 heavy-duty Jiffy Hitch female. This benefit of the Jiffy Hitch system allows a larger Category 2 tractor, from 50 horsepower to 115 horsepower, to not only easily hook up the larger size Category 2 size implements, but also all smaller Category 1 size implements. This is a standard Jiffy Hitch feature requiring no additional brackets, pins, or expense. The question is often asked, do you have to have a female Jiffy Hitch on every implement you own? The answer is no. When hooking up the other implements that do not have Jiffy Hitch females, lower the male Jiffy Hitch and unhook the top link pin on the male, allowing it to pivot to the ground. Then, remove the lift arm pins, disconnecting the hitch from the tractor. Now you are back to a three-point hitch. You can hook up any three-point implement. We recommend purchasing a male and 3 female components, which will set up your tractor and 3 implements that are the most used or difficult to hook up. If needed, additional female components are available. Every Jiffy Hitch male component is made from tubular steel for superior strength and durability. The clevis lift arm brackets are more than twice the strength of the stationary type implement pins that are used by look-alike hitches. The spring-loaded double-pin locking system, which secures the female onto the male, and the tubular steel construction and clevis pins, makes the Jiffy Hitch male the strongest hitch and best value on the market. Every Jiffy Hitch male component has a built-in 2-inch trailer hitch receiver, which allows the operator to install a ball mount for pulling trailers. On larger tractors, Jiffy Hitch can also be used for pulling gooseneck trailers. Installing a Jiffy Hitch lift-pull coupler allows you to lift the tongue of your pull implements and place them on your tractor's drawbar. For easy hookup, drop the pin into the hole in the drawbar and remove the lift-pull coupler from the male. Raise the male component out of the way and go to work. Reverse this procedure to disconnect the implement. You may never need to replace a broken jack stand. Every Jiffy Hitch female is made from formed channel steel, making its strength equal or superior to the hookup on a three-point implement. The adjustability of the female allows it to be attached to almost any three-point implement. Female components are available in standard and heavy-duty design in both Category 1 and Category 2, providing a range from 15 horsepower to 110 horsepower. Though not required, the hydraulic top link cylinder will provide you with greater top link adjustment than the standard twist-type top link. It's also easier and safer to adjust because it's adjusted hydraulically from the seat of the tractor. Simply plug the hose couplers into the remote ports on your tractor. For tractors not equipped with remote hydraulic ports, a self-contained hydraulic top link cylinder that requires no adjustment from the tractor is available. It has an oil reservoir and locking valve, and obtains its adjustment from the weight of the attached implement. To extend the cylinder, open the valve and raise the lift arms of the tractor. When the desired length is obtained, close the valve. It will now hold that position. To shorten or close the self-contained hydraulic top link, lower the implement to the ground. With the valve open, move the tractor forward. The resistance of the implement to the ground will cause the implement to roll forward, forcing the cylinder to close. When the desired length is obtained, close the valve. Note, each hydraulic top link comes with a ball joint on the rod end of the cylinder and a removable knuckle connector that comes in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch lengths. This allows the hydraulic top link to have the proper movement toward the tractor and away from the tractor when the male Jiffy Hitch is vertical with the ground. An advantage of a hydraulic top link cylinder is that it allows the top link to operate in the float position. This is a special benefit when using a mower because it allows the tail wheel to follow the contour of the ground. With the self-contained hydraulic top link cylinder, an optional fender-mounted reservoir and control valve is available, making them more accessible to the operator. Also available are quick couplers, which would allow the cylinder to be used as either self-contained or be powered by connecting the hoses to the tractor's hydraulic ports. The A-frame design of the Jiffy Hitch system allows for sufficient clearance between the Jiffy Hitch and the PTO shaft during operation. First, hook the implement to the tractor. Then, install the PTO shaft on the implement as you would with the old-fashioned 3-point hitch. To install the male Jiffy Hitch component on the tractor, lower the lift arms to their lowest point. Place the Jiffy Hitch male flat on the ground, with the point of the male away from the tractor and the clevis of the male directly under the tractor lift arms. Raise up one side of the male and slide the pin through the male clevis and lift arm of the tractor. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Next, lift the point of the male component and attach it to the top link. Jiffy Hitch offers an optional hydraulic top link cylinder which provides you with greater ease of top link adjustment and is done safely from the seat of your tractor. To install the female Jiffy Hitch to the implement, first, measure the distance between the shoulder on the lift arm pins on the implement. Using that measurement, determine which holes on the Jiffy Hitch brackets achieve the desired width. Attach the bracket to one side of the female. Do not tighten the bolts. On a Category 1 implement, washered bushings are required. Slide the bushings on the lift arm pins with the washer side of the bushing facing inward. Second, choose the hole on the bracket that gives you the height that you desire. Place the bracket on the lift arm pin of the implement in the chosen hole. Third, take the other bracket and place it on the other lift arm pin using corresponding holes for height. Use bushings if needed. Lift the female and bolt the bracket to the female. Fourth, attach the top link bracket to the T-bar on the female so that it can be attached to the top link connection of the implement to keep the female in vertical position. Last, tighten all bolts and installation is complete. Optional, offset brackets are used when the standard bolt-on brackets can't be used due to the design of some implements. If possible, only use offset brackets on the implements without PTO shafts. Offset brackets move implements about 5 inches further away from the tractor, which can cause the PTO shaft to be too short. A PTO shaft extender is available. Here's how to install the hydraulic top link. Begin by attaching the cylinder to the tractor with the rod end pointed away from the tractor. Then, attach the rod end of the cylinder to the male Jiffy Hitch. Next, plug the quick couplers into the tractor hydraulic system. It's best to have the cylinder extending out when the tractor control lever is pulled back. When installing the self-contained hydraulic top link cylinder, make sure the reservoir is positioned on the top of the cylinder. The optional self-contained hydraulic top link with a fender-mounted reservoir and valve must have the reservoir and valve mounted higher than the hydraulic top link. Important, after installing either cylinder, make sure when the lift arms are raised and lowered that there is no obstruction to the hydraulic top link or reservoir. The Jiffy Hitch boom pole is easy on and easy off. The Jiffy Hitch hay fork is also easy on and easy off. Both of these items are available from Jiffy Hitch. They are also examples of how simply you could perhaps build some implements or adapt some of your implements to fit the Jiffy Hitch male component. Another available Jiffy Hitch product that hauls, dumps, and grades is the Do-All Carrier. This is a multi-use tool that may eliminate the need of a front-end loader in some situations. It's available in 4, 5, and 6-foot models. The fence wire unroller is a valuable tool that unrolls both field fence and barbed wire. It's designed to unroll wire in the upright position and against the posts for convenience. It's available in both 3-point and Jiffy Hitch models. The field wire stretcher is an innovative tool that is both quick and easy. There are no bolts to tighten. Just drive 3 wedges and stretch your wire. It holds tight and it will not slip. The Clip Purr is the quick and easy way to attach T-post clips to fence wire. You simply twist the clip around the wire without having to reach through the fence.